akong nagbago. Lahat ng ito'y kasalanan mo. At di naging madali dahil sobrang hapdi. Pero kailangan nung bitawan ka. Hindi ko na magawang ipalaban. Ayoko nang maranasan to. At kahit anong pagsisising gawin mo lahat, hindi mo na magbabalikan at masasaktan.
Your revenge is to love yourself, heal yourself, forgive yourself, ground yourself, let go and move on. Increase your emotional and spiritual intelligence, upgrade your boundaries, and improve your tolerance so that those who hurt you no longer resonate with you. Knowing your worth, that is your recipe for success.
I'm so blessed, my Lord, I can see you.
Magiging habit mo ang prayer, magiging lifestyle mo ang success. Kasi ang dasal, hindi lang basta salita. Ito'y pahinga ng puso, lakas ng loob, at paalala na may Diyos na laging nandyan. Kapag sanay kang manalangin, kahit sa gitna ng problema, marunong kang huminga, marunong kang magtiwala. Hindi man agad dumating ang sagot, natututo kang maghintay, at habang naghihintay, hinuhubog ka ni Lord para maging mas matatag, mas marunong, at mas handa sa biyayang paparating. Ang taong may habit ng panalangin, may disiplina ng pananampalataya, hindi basta sumusuko, hindi madaling matalo, kasi alam niyang sa bawat laban, may kasamang Diyos na hindi kumakapit sa oras, kundi sa plano. Kaya kahit mahirap, tuloy lang sa pagdarasal, kasi minsan, hindi mo pa sinasabi, naririnig na niya.
Baby, won't you tell me why there is sadness in your eyes? I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. You're the one who set it up, now you're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who's feeling lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you said, but there is something left in my head. I won't forget.
You're such a sly one with your cold, cold heart. We believe in game easy, but it should be apart. Time is the ones they say, and I should know, 'cause it seems like forever, but I'm letting you go. Now I'm almost over you.
Now that it's all said and done, I can't believe you were the one to build me up and tear me down like an old abandoned house. What you say?
When you are good to your parents, especially to your mother, suswertihin ka sa buhay mo. 99% po ng mayayaman, tingnan nyo, mabait sa nanay. Pag mabait ka sa nanay mo, malakas mag-bless ang mga nanay. Kung gusto nyo ang babago ang buhay nyo, kung gusto nyo maging okay kayo, kung may galit kayo sa mga nanay nyo, alisin ninyo. Kasi kahit anong sabihin ninyo, nanay nyo yan. Utang nyo ang buhay nyo dyan. Kung hindi man para sa inyo naging mabuting nanay yan, nanay nyo pa rin yan. Hindi porket hindi kayo ginawa ng mabuti, karapatan nyo nang gawan din sila ng masama. You do not counter bad things with another bad thing. Hindi po. Ilang taon na lang mabubuhay ang nanay mo, hindi pa huli ang lahat, magpakabuti ka sa nanay mo. Tignan mo, pag sinabihan ka ng nanay mo, pagpalain ka anak. Pag pinagdasal ka ng nanay mo, kahit gaano kasama ang buhay mo, maaayos yan.